Hey guys, welcome back to another video. What are we doing? We just dropped baby girl off at school. Now we are out and about. She has all half days this week, so I have to get my errands done fast and, like time efficient. So she is in school, so we are off. So I'm gonna take you with me, of course. Why wouldn't I? That's what you guys are here for. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, we are back. Well, we are back. She wasn't here in the last one, but we back.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. We are going to the dog park, right? Yeah, we going to the dog park, y'all. Yes, we is. Girl, sir, where you going? Yes, we're going to the dog park hunting. We're bringing Nolah to the dog park because Nolah needs to get used to being outside because she's so spoiled. Yes, she is. She's so spoiled. She's not even sitting in her car seat. She's sitting on the floor right here in the front because she's spoiled. And she don't like that car seat either. So, come with us to the dog park. Right. Sorry, what happened?
Nothing. Oh, my ring fell.
Yes. Hey, it's a good ball.
Hey, you. Hello, honey. Hello. Nolah. Hi.
Drop it. Don't worry. Good girl.
Sure about my back leg. I'm trying to get you, you're trying to get me. Hi, Box. Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, I just got in from the gym, still in my gym clothes. I'm about to go take a shower and then change my clothes, and I'm feeling like a protein shake. So I got these two new protein powders that I want to try. Vegan protein can either be good or it can be disgusting. So two new flavors, same company, and I'm gonna give them a try with you. I'm gonna make two protein shakes, see which one I like the best. Same ingredients, just different flavor protein powders. So let me hop in the shower, let me change. So here we have my ingredients. Like I said, it's just a taste. So yeah, we don't want to get too crazy with the ingredients because I don't want to waste anything if I don't like it. So ingredients, the best oat milk ever. Boom. So like I said, I have Ghost vegan protein, the peanut butter cereal milk, and this one is vegan pancake batter. There you are. So in here we have milk, 1 whole banana, and a scoop of the protein powder. This is the peanut butter cereal milk. So we have this, and this is what it looks like. The Ghost vegan protein. They have non-vegan as well, but I got the vegan one because that's the point. I'm going vegan, so I need a vegan protein powder. This is the peanut butter cereal milk, and you can see the info there and info there if you pay attention to that stuff. It says on the back, no veggie spiking, soy-free, gluten-free, vegan, 28 servings per container, and it's 120 calories. So, before I got cut off, I didn't know the camera cut off, I put oat milk and a banana. And we are going to take the Ghost protein pancake batter flavor. Just like the other one, hasn't been opened, brand new. And I've never had either one of these. I'm going off of other people's reviews. So yeah. Gotta dig for the scooper. Another full scoop. That might be too much, but it's already in there now. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Let's get blending. Now let's taste. We have the pancake batter. Okay. It actually smells like maple a little bit. So pancake batter in this cup. Let's open the peanut butter cereal milk. I put them in two different blenders just for the sake of time. So, and this one kind of smells like not too peanut buttery. All right, since this is the last one I poured, this is the one I'm gonna try first. Pray for me, y'all. Okay. Not bad. I wish I would have put another banana in it, but all right. Okay. So now we're gonna try the pancake batter. It does taste like pancake batter. Yeah. Yeah, for sure.